Hello, in this video we will be reviewing how to submit a pay application or design invoice. So after logging into ACC and navigating to the cost management module, you'll click on the cost page and you should see the contract that you are trying to submit a pay application or an invoice against. Navigate to the second tab within here, which is the Pay Apps and Invoices tab. Click on Create to create your invoice. Select the contract from the drop-down list of contracts that you have available to you. If you don't see the contract that you're trying to submit a pay application for, please contact your project administrator. So the first thing, if it's the brand new pay app, the first thing that you have to do is set up your billing periods. So click to set up billing periods, create new, hit next, and then select the time frame that you will be billing over the course of the entire project. So in this case, I'm going to select October 1st through March 2026. You can choose to divide the billing periods weekly, bi-monthly, or just have one. In this case, we're going to select monthly and click done. If you ever need to come back and add additional billing periods or adjust these, you can do so in the future. So you're not locked into whatever these say right now. Once these look good, hit save, and that will set up all of your billing periods. So in this test instance, we're going to have 6. You can switch between the periods by using the drop-down. Be sure that you have selected the billing period that you wish to create that pay app or invoice for, and then click Create Payment Application. This is going to populate in the schedule of values, the budget categories and the schedule of values from the contract. If there are any change orders that need to be added to your pay application, you can click Add Change Order. In this case, we don't have any yet, but we can add them here. You can see the change orders will show up either down below, or if you click this 3-dotted menu up here on the right, you can request that the change orders be shown in line with the schedule of values, whatever you prefer. So with that, you come in and start filling in either dollar amounts or percentage for this period work completed. If this was a subsequent pay application, the work completed material stored and totals would pull in from all of those previous applications, so there's no need to calculate that yourself. The system will not allow you to overbill, so if I try to put a dollar amount here that is over the scheduled value amount, when I try to submit it, I will get an error. If you don't want to enter in values directly through the interface, you can also, again, use this 3-dot menu over here and click Populate via Excel. You can export the Excel file, which should open up your template. As you can see in the little note down here, it says please only edit the value of the yellow background cells. So any updates you make anywhere else will not take effect. You really are only updating the work complete this period and the material stored. And this is going to be a dollar amount instead of a percentage. So if you choose to fill it out this way, you can do that and then return back to your ACC cost window and then import that Excel file in, or you can manually enter in the numbers. I'm going to do just that and I'll be right back. So once your schedule of value, or once your work complete has been either input manually or imported in from the Excel, you can click on the Builder's Contract Pay App over here. And then if you scroll down, you can see what the payment application summary looks like and make sure that that looks correct. Again, if you needed to add any change orders, you could, provided they're already in the system. You can upload whatever backup documentation you need to here by either uploading from your computer, or if it's already in Autodesk Docs, doing that. If you need to add any references to RFIs, submittals, anything else that's contained within ACC, you can do that here. And finally, you can put any notes or anything else that you may wish to pass along to the project manager or the UF project team. When all is looking good, you're going to come here to the Documents document package, and under Add Document, you're going to generate from a document template. And if this is the builder contract, you're going to generate that contract or pay app. This is going to take all of the amounts from your pay application and put it into the Excel template that UF needs in order to process that document. If you want to take a look at it, you can click on it and it should open up in a new window. You can review it and make sure that all looks good. There are two tabs. The cover sheet tab is similar to the pay application summary that we saw in the website. And then the schedule of values page should have, again, all of those numbers filled in based on your pay application. Once you are satisfied that that all looks good, from there, you're going to, again, click on the three dot icon over here and click Send for Signature. This is a test project, so I don't have all the right people hooked up potentially. Yeah, I don't have anybody listed as a contractor, architect, but this would then send an email asking for the pay application Excel file to be docu-signed by the contractor and by the architect. Once that has been sent out for signature and the signatures have been received and everything else about the pay application looks good, you're going to click on this drop down, mark it as set as pending supplier input, and then set it as submitted. And then you are going to send an email to the reviewers asking them to review and approve your pay application. That will kick off the workflow to get this pay application into the UF system and to get it processed.